So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can change Chrome language back to English. So first of all, open Chrome browser on your PC. Now here, click on these three dots. Now scroll down and here, look for this icon. Now this means settings. Click on it. Now here, on the left pane, head over to second section, which is this one. Now here, click on this first option with this icon. This means languages. Now here, click on this icon on the top. Now search for English. Now you can select any English. Let's select first one. Now, click on this light blue icon. Now the language will appear at the bottom. Click on these three dots next to it. And now, check this option. Now, click on this button. And now as you can see here, the language is now changed. So this way I can change Chrome language back to English. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.